Don't let California law decide who gets your prized record collection or your family home. Let's craft your will your way. Step 1. Identify your beneficiaries. These are the people or organizations who will inherit your assets. Be specific with names and relationships to avoid any confusion. Next, appoint an executor. This is the person you trust to manage your estate, pay debts, and distribute assets according to your will. It's a big responsibility, so choose wisely. Now, specify how you want your assets distributed. List each asset, from real estate to bank accounts, and clearly state who should receive it. Consider creating a list before writing it in your will. It's important to understand California's requirements for a valid will. Your will must be in writing, signed by you, and witnessed by 2 adults who are present when you sign. Finally, store your will in a safe and accessible place and inform your executor of its location. Keeping copies can be beneficial, but remember, the original signed document is the one that matters. Remember, this video provides general information. Consult with a qualified attorney to ensure your will is tailored to your specific circumstances and fully complies with California law, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones.